Which animal can survive in space? The options are A. Ant, B. Cockroach, C. Tardigrade. The correct answer is tardigrade. Which animal can see with its tongue? The options are A. Snake, B. Frog, C. Komodo dragon. The correct answer is snake. Which bird can rotate its head almost all the way around? The options are A. Crow, B. Owl, C. Pigeon. The correct answer is owl. Which is the only bird that can fly backwards? The options are A. Sparrow, B. Robin, C. Hummingbird. The correct answer is hummingbird. Which creature has eyes on its tentacles? The options are A. Octopus, B. Snail, C. Squid. The correct answer is snail. What creature can live for a week without its head? The options are A. Lizard, B. Frog, C. Cockroach. The correct answer is cockroach. Which planet is believed to have diamond rain? The options are A. Neptune, B. Mars, C. Venus. The correct answer is Neptune. Which animal can regrow its arms if they are lost or damaged? The options are A. Whale, B. Octopus, C. Starfish. The correct answer is starfish. Which bird can sleep while flying? The options are A. Frigate bird, B. Owl, C. Penguin. The correct answer is frigate bird. Which food never spoils? The options are A. Honey, B. Sugar, C. Cheese. The correct answer is honey. Which animal has no vocal cords? The options are A. Owl, B. Whale, C. Turtle. The correct answer is turtle. Which bird proposes to its mate with a pebble? The options are A. Albatross, B. Gentoo penguins, C. Seagull. The correct answer is Gentoo penguins. Which mammal can fly? The options are A. Bat, B. Flying squirrel, C. Lemur. The correct answer is bat. What do earthworms use to breathe? The options are A. Lungs, B. Gills, C. Skin. The correct answer is skin. Which creature can regenerate an entire body from just a small fragment? The options are A. Starfish, B. Flatworm, C. Octopus. The correct answer is flatworm. Which lizard has wing-like ribs that help it glide between trees? The options are A. Draco lizard, B. Gecko, C. Skink. The correct answer is Draco lizard. Which metal can melt in your hand? The options are A. Gallium, B. Aluminum, C. Lead. The correct answer is gallium. Which animal hears using its legs instead of ears? The options are A. Bat, B. Ant, C. Cricket. The correct answer is cricket. Which jellyfish is known as immortal because it can revert to its younger form? The options are A. Moon jelly, B. Turritopsis dohrani, C. Box jellyfish. The correct answer is Turritopsis dohrani. Which shrimp makes a sound louder than a gunshot with its claw? The options are A. Cleaner shrimp, B. Mantis shrimp, C. Pistol shrimp. The correct answer is pistol shrimp. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.